Hi guys, this is lard mitten. Tell me in comments what these are, just because I don't really know what these are, but so can you tell about this again?
Yeah. So this is just showing how you how blubber insulates animals from the cold water. Yep. And so this is a little lard mitten put in really ice cold water, and it shows how you're insulated and kept warm. Yeah.
So here's a little one, and I think this is relevant, like seals, and it held a field, and it kind of makes me want to have a lard mitten. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like, and subscribe.